Alright, here it is, guys. The Nightfighter from Eduard. Definitely learned some things on this model, and we're going to talk about them. This is the 172 scale. I don't want to touch it too much. I took my gloves off, and the final clear coat is only about 20 minutes fresh. So we're just going to give you the all-around view here. But yeah, maybe a little dark on the blue, but I actually kind of, it makes sense. I do have the drop tank on there. I do have a few things to say. What a kit. Sorry for not posting for so long. I've just been kind of working on this, and I was kind of busy here, and I honestly didn't have any ideas for a video, and I didn't want to just make a bunch of garbage that I made up. Get my hand out of there. But yeah, let's talk about this a little bit. Let's get the view in here. Decals. Well, no, let's start with just the build. I'd say it was smooth sailing most of the time, except the canopy. It came with two canopies. You could do open or closed, and honestly, I wanted to do the open one because I did all the photo etch on the inside, and frankly, I ran into some issues there, mostly because I didn't want to stuff the cockpit too much to get the kind of mess up the details in there. Also, it came with two canopies basically, and on this back part, let's see, let me grab a little pointer. It came with two different, this kind of back portion here came with two different ones of those. So I put this on, glued it on, let it dry for 24 hours, canopy glue, and then I realized that was the closed one. Basically, the only difference between this one and the closed one is that it's a little bit wider so that you can slide it back over this fuselage. So I already put this on, so I was like, all right, you know what, I'll do it closed, and then I can just mask this with the mask, which that was fine. But this does not fit. This is the closed part, and this is the closed part. It does not fit together. I had to cut this, and even still, you can kind of tell, and that kind of frustrated me, but we got it, so, whatever. And then I did not know about these Eduard decals. This about ruined it for me. I actually am out one of these because it ripped. I didn't put it on the bottom because I thought you won't see the bottom. Everybody online likes to remove the film, and it worked okay for these. This one, you can see on the back it messed up. So researching more, people said, oh, don't take them off. So I used this, Mark Fit Strong, and just, put that on a few times and just really melted it in there. And I think it turned out okay, mostly because it's gloss and then a semi-gloss. So I think it hit it okay. Let's go back. So yeah, all in all, Let's get me in here with that. I had a good time with it. I just thought the fit would be a little better on some of the more obvious places, like the canopy, and some of the machine guns gave me some issues because that my own fault. I just kept breaking them off. So yeah, it's an okay kit. You know, for the price, you get photo etch. I think I paid $30 for this kit. You get photo etch, masks. You know, it did come with a lot of customization options, so you know it was a great kit. I may just recommend, if you're new and this is your first Eduard kit, beware of the decals. And yeah, just it was pretty easy painting because I just did the gloss blue all over. So yeah, great kit. Not sure what I'm going to be starting next. I'll probably take a couple of days to do what I want. Probably won't start anything. Give you one last look over, guys. Let me know what you think. Sorry it's been a while. I just don't want to make a bunch of random videos where I babble on. And sometimes you just, at the end of the day, this is still my hobby, and I don't want to turn it fully into just making videos. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a good week.